Hello everyone, and welcome back to Easy Fluent English, channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Teresa. My friends call me TK.
Hello, TK. Hi, everyone. It is so alluring to be here today. I am very happy to see you.
I am happy to see you too, Defin. How are you today?
I am doing great, thank you. I have a big smile today because the weather is beautiful. And you, TK?
I am wonderful. I have my favorite tea, and I am ready for a great chat. But first, Defin, we should say something to our friends listening.
Oh, yes, you are right. Hello to all our listeners. We are so glad you are here with us. Yes. And please, if you like our podcasts, click the like button right now. It helps us a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to Easy Fluent English channel. When you subscribe, you help us make more fun episodes for you.
Exactly. And please share this with your friends and your family. If they are learning English, they can listen to our chat too.
That is a great idea. Sharing is caring. Okay, TK, what is our topic for today? I am very curious. Today,
Defin, we're talking about something very important. We're talking about childhood.
so let's get started. Do you ever think about your childhood?
Yes, quite often. Especially at night, when everything is quiet.
Same here. It feels like a different world now.
It really does. Life was simpler back then.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in a small village. Everyone knew each other.
That sounds nice. I grew up in a busy town.
Was it noisy?
Yes, very noisy. But I still enjoyed it.
What did you enjoy the most?
Playing outside with friends? We didn't care about time.
Same here. We played until our parents called us home.
What games did you play?
Football, hide and seek, running games. Sometimes we just talked and laughed.
I miss that laughter. It felt real.
Yes, now life feels more serious.
Did you enjoy school?
I did, most of the time. Some days were hard though.
What made them hard?
Exams and homework. But friends made everything better.
Friends change everything. Who was your closest friend?
A boy named Silax. We shared everything.
Are you still in touch?
No, sadly. Life took us in different directions.
That happens. But memories stay.
Yes, they do. I still remember our conversations.
What about your teachers?
Some were strict. Some were very kind.
I still remember one teacher clearly.
Me too. They believed in us.
Did you have any dreams as a child?
Yes, I wanted to become a pilot.
Now my dream is simpler. I want peace and stability.
That's a big dream. What about now?
Funny how dreams change.
Yes, but childhood dreams are beautiful.
What did you do during holidays?
I visited my grandparents. Those were my favorite days.
Grandparents make childhood special.
They really do. Their stories, their care, everything felt warm.
Do you think children today have the same childhood?
Not really. Life is very different now.
Too much technology.
Yes, less time outside, less real connection.
Sometimes I wish I could go back.
Me too, just for one day.
What would you do if you could?
I would play outside, eat simple food, and sleep without worries.
That sounds perfect.
What about you?
I would sit with my friends and talk for hours.
Those talks shaped us.
Yes, childhood made us who we are.
Even now, it still lives inside us.
I agree. We grow older, but memories stay young.
That's true. Childhood never really leaves us.
Well, everyone, we hope you enjoyed our conversation today.
Yes, thank you for listening to us. It was so much fun.
Now, we have a question for you. We want to read your comments.
Yes, tell us. Are you an early bird or a night owl?
Or tell us, what time do you usually wake up? We want to know.
Please write your answer in English in the comments. It is great practice for you.
And don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends.
And please subscribe to Easy Fluent English channel. It helps us so much to make more episodes.
Thank you, everyone. You are amazing.
Yes, thank you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful night. See you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye-bye, everyone.